Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's on Terminal Lance here, and today we're going to be talking about Palantir and what Palantir is going to be within the next couple of weeks or so. So, starting off, we're going to be looking at the 30-minute mark, and as you can see, I'm going to be showing you why I picked the 30-minute mark and why I picked these two these two support lines, and the resistance line, right? So, for me, the reason why I picked initially this was my so yellow indicates support, green indicates resistance, right? So I'm going to switch this back to the resistance line. And initially when I first was auditing and studying the Palantir algorithm and like the stock and the stock itself and the function and what it was going through, I made this support line right at these two um, uh, candlesticks, because this was an indication of a spinning top, two spinning top candlesticks. Um, it could either go bearish or bullish. So this is the first sign of like, okay, this can either go up again or down to this level. So this is the first indication that I chose. I'm like, okay, I chose this as my support. And a couple when I first started this, I kind of started. It was around here when it was consolidating. So obviously, it pushed down the support line a little bit, but it went back up and never really overreached it. And then this was my next. This is my resistance line, because it had its two bullish candlesticks and then its first bearish candlestick. This one had two. The reason why I didn't go up here is because it was going as a downtrend right here. So yes, it might have been bullish, went up and then went back down. So it's like this is a little this right here is volatile as shit right here. So like there's no way I can draw any data off of this, right? So this is for me. This is the data that I drew it off of. So this became my support as soon as I saw that it breached my resistance, right? As soon as it breached. If you guys been following my channel, you've noticed that I've had this as my resistance for a while already, and then it turned into my support. Yes, it with by one candlestick, right? And then it went up because I had good news about Palantir closing out 3 new contracts with the military, and that's why it was bearish. Then the stock market itself is falling. This is going to be my prediction for the next couple of days. And obviously tomorrow or Monday, right? Come Monday, this is what's going to be. It's going to rally all the way up to 29. I'll say 29.90, right? It's gonna. I might even say it's going to hit all the way up to like what 31 maybe, right? But I'm gonna say 29.90 or $30, and then it's going to drop back down because everybody got their Christmas money. Everybody's going to put in a lot of money into the stocks. They're going to put in a lot of money to bring this number to 20 from 27 to 30. They make a 4%, 3%. They make like a 4 or 5% profit. Then they start selling off. And then it's going to go consolidate here. It's going to go back down, and then I would say it's going to either touch this again, going to go back. It's just going to be very. It's going to be very volatile here, and then it's going to have an upside in the next couple of weeks. So it's going to be for next. This is next week's prediction right here. This is going to be next week's prediction for Palantir. This is my resistance line for now. I'm basing it off of. I was going to put resistance up here. Actually, I'll put resistance. Why would I put resistance there? Doesn't make any sense for me to put resistance there, right? No, actually, I'll put resistance here. This is going to be the $30 mark. Yeah. $30 mark is going to be my resistance. It's pretty high for the price right now, but Yeah, that sounds about right. It looks pretty legit. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be my resistance, right? For $30 mark is gonna be my resistance. Breached once, breached twice. I don't think there is gonna be a problem breaching it again. I would even say right here tomorrow. That's what it's gonna be, or Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, and then Monday of next week. So like what, 2 weeks out predictions already? A week and a week out. But let's look at Palantir news, right? Palantir. This came out December 4th. This is literally after the stock market closed, which it's pretty fucking smart because this is after the stock market closed. Palantir, right, closes out 2020 with nearly 150 million in new government contracts. So they closed out 150 million, but if you keep on reading, it closed with two deals worth nearly 150 million at the end of December. So at the end of December, they closed out two deals that were nearly 150 million. The first contract came from the U.S. Army program that was 113.8 million for the year. And 2019, the U.S. Army selected Palantir for a 458 million production agreement to power Army Vintage comprehensive data analytic platform to facilitate data-driven decision making. And then the contract was for a base year and 3 option years. The Palantir was awarded 110 million at the time of the base year. And then the second contract is a 2-year deal worth up. This isn't really a huge one, but 31.5 million with the UK National Health Service. To help distribute the COVID vaccine, COVID-19, where its potential spreads. But this is all good news, right? Yes, it's good news. This is why they're waiting until Monday, because a lot of these stock investors got a lot of money from Christmas. They're gonna put those in their bank account, transfer it to Robinhood or whatever brokerage they use, because I use Robinhood, and then you're gonna see this huge increase on Monday. The first 30 minutes, because remember, the stock market, the first 30 minutes are always volatile. You're gonna see a huge increase for the first 30 minutes, then you're gonna see a decrease. So those of you who, this is a good buying time right now. So whoever, when it closed out or when it went to 27.75, buy the dip. It's gonna go back up, drop back down an hour later for for Monday, go back up an hour later. It's gonna go drop back down, and it's gonna consolidate in this section right here. So, anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like button, as every like counts for getting this video across a lot of new viewers. And if, like I said, if you like it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, then don't. I'm not gonna be one of those YouTubers that tell you to subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I'm not gonna be that. And yes, me saying this doesn't mean that I'm gonna make you guys subscribe, because I really don't care that much. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and I enjoy making these videos. And I do believe that the stock market is going to crash, and all these people who don't know how to invest and don't know anything about risk management are going to lose a lot of money. So be careful for the next coming months, because the stock market will crash. Anyways, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later.